Question 1 is to separate the camera matrix from the word matrix. So first, I separate the structure to these two. One is for camera matrix, and one is for word matrix. And here I create a new constant buffer for word matrix. And connect this new buffer to the render pipeline. And I need to change these two here. And then in draw scene, the camera matrix don't have this. And I send the word matrix for object 1 and update it to the buffer. And this is object 2. So we just send the camera matrix once. And at the end, we should release the memory for this new buffer we just create. And it will work like this. And for question 2 is to create a unit pyramid. The pyramid has 5 vertices and 6 triangles. And I set the color here. And here I just simply punch this code to construct the model. And it will work like this. Question 3. First, I made 2 models. One is for unit box and one is for pyramid, and 3 word matrices and 2 constant buffer for camera matrix and word matrix. And because we want to use the color select 3D shader, so we need to change here and here for both pixel shader and vertex shader. And then I create the constant buffer too. This is the camera constant buffer and the word matrix constant buffer. And then connect them to the render pipeline. And in draw sense, here the same. Use the camera matrix once and send 3 object matrix and render them. Here the first matrix and the second word matrix and the third matrix. The first one is use the model 1, which is a box. And second and third are use the same pyramid model. So it will run like this. Here, the 3 models. 2 are the same, 1 is different, and rendered in the color select 3D render shader. For question 4 is to create a scene which has 4 models. So as usual, I create 2 models and 4 word matrices, and it will use 2 shaders. So I create 2 kind of shaders. One is simple color 3D, another is color select 3D, and both are vertex shader and pixel shader, and 2 input layout. And here I compile the vertex shader, and because we use 2 shaders, so I compile one color select 3D and define the input layout, create the layout, and create the simple color 3D shader, and create the input layout, and then create two pixel shaders. And here for the constant buffer, this is the camera matrix and word matrix constant buffer as connect the buffer. And this construct these two models and initialize the word matrix. In the draw scene, send the camera data once. For object 1, I use set the shader, I set the simple colors 3D shader, and object 3 use the color select 3D. 2 and 4, but it's work just like this. I don't know why it's only the color select 3D shader work. I think it may be because the input layout is different and simple color 3D shader is different input layout, but I didn't figure it out. And for the photo work, first, I can only create one model to show in different locations. We can just send another word matrix and update the context to the buffer so that we can save the memory on save some same data. Question 2, I didn't complete the question 4, but it would be helpful if the shader class, there are some functions to create or compile the vertex shader and pixel shader. And also there may be some function to assign the context and update them.